In order to remove a Google account from Google Chrome so it doesn't show up and is not always logged in, what you want to do is just go to google.com, the homepage here, and then just click on your profile image in the upper right-hand corner. And then you're going to see an option that says Show More Accounts. If you click on that, you'll be able to see all of the accounts that are currently active on this machine. Now, there are a number of ways of doing this. You can go here and go to Remove, and by removing it, it's still going to show up. So the easiest way of going about doing this is just go to Sign Out of All Accounts. As you see, I've done here. And then what you can do is go back to Google and then go to Sign In. And then when you do so, you can see that you'll have all of these accounts still here to select from. But what you want to do is go to Remove an Account like so. And when you click on that, you'll see a red minus symbol next to the accounts. Just click that and it will permanently remove an account from this device on Google Chrome. When you are ready to go, once you're done, log back into the account that you want to use and then go to your profile image here. And as you can see, when we go to Show More Accounts, that account is no longer there. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.